Hi, thanks for joining us today. My name's Kelly. I'm the service manager here at Factory Outlet Trailers. Today I just wanted to quickly go over a few items that we can repair for you here in our shop. This one here, for instance, this is a 2014 Lightning Series all aluminum cargo trailer. Customer brought this to us, wanted an estimate for insurance, so we provided that for him. When he brought it in, he had told us that this trailer was actually laid down on its side in the ditch. So we brought it in. We had to check the frame, of course, first, make sure everything was okay that way. And it all checked out. So we did our repairs. We replaced this entire side of panels. As you can see, they're all brand new now. We've done the fenders for them. We had to take off the door itself and reskin that for the customer. There was some extensive damage here in the front corner, so we added a little dressing after we did the repairs. It's a nice corner wrap on the front. We've done a brand new stone guard for the customer. I think we've essentially made this trailer look new again. It is still a work in progress. We have a little bit of work here to do on the tongue yet. As you can see, we've got the coupler off, the jack is off right now. Other than that, we do have to also take it to an alignment shop. That's not something we are here, able to do here yet. So the alignment will have to get checked out, but everything else is good so far. So, customers come to us with insurance jobs, so we have to provide an estimate to the appraiser or the insurance company themselves. And that's something we do a lot of here, whether it's a hail damage claim, an impact claim, anything like that. That is something we're quite capable of doing here. We've got another one behind it there, same thing. It's got some front end damage on it right now. We're in the midst of doing the estimate on it, and hopefully we can get that in and out of the shop quickly for the customer. Again, thanks for joining us today. I hope that we can serve you here, and thanks again.